So kind of go over maybe what you both, either, the combination of what you use on a daily basis, and or, what are some of your favorite things to use within, and applications in the way that you use them.
Yeah, absolutely. And I can go into that. And we can start very simply from one of the assets. So let's start from the SPX, right? So essentially the goal at MenthorQ is to simplify the read of the market, right? So you need to be able to be successful. The biggest problem with traders is that a lot of traders are either not looking at the right data, so there's not a lot of access of data that is relevant and give you enough insights, or you are making it too complicated and you're looking at too many data sets, too many indicators in the same chart, and you get mixed signals, and in the end, your idea is wrong, and then obviously you lose in the market. So essentially what we've done here is we simplified how you read the data. So first of all, you want to understand if you are in a positive or negative gamma condition from the option market. This can increase or decrease volatility. And looking at volatility is very important, as Ryan was mentioning, because you need to be able to expect what the volatility will be like if you're trading directionally, if you're trading spreads. Then you want to look at how the levels are playing out. So what are the main levels here? What is the option market telling me? You can also read more data here and do more analysis. But then this chart is really what I really like, which is telling you the net gamma exposure of the market. So it's telling you, like, is the market positions more on the call side? And if so, at what strike price? Or is the market position more on the put side? So is the market expecting a decline, right? So by looking at this chart, you can already understand, okay, what is the sentiment in the market? You can also look at the same chart at multiple expirations. So you can say, okay, if I'm planning to do a swing trade and I want to go 1 month in the future, what is the market position on the next month expiration? Right? So there's a lot of bullish activity on the SPX. If we look at I think this one is 12/20, so December. Then we can look at the swing model. So what is the swing model telling us? Is there a bullish bias? Is there a bearish bias at 5 days and 20 days? And then we can also look at the option matrix. So the option matrix is really like a big data set that will allow you to understand the different expirations very simply and understand, like all the different data points within all the option chain. So simplifying the option chain. Finally, volume and open interest. You want to see where the volume is spiking, where are the open interests there. And then again, going more in a complex stuff, looking at the skews and looking at the term structure like Ryan mentioned today. So again, this is like a really simple step-by-step process that you can actually follow every morning for a few minutes a day. And then the next step is really plotting the data into your chart. So what are the reaction zones that you should be aware of it? And again, we have built an indicator here that can allow you to plot all the data that we saw in those previous charts directly into your trading application. So this makes it very easy for anyone to be able to then look at the chart and start trading.